Hey, first-time homeowners, if you want your boiler to keep on boiling, you need to be more diligent about how often you're flushing it. Oh, also, your boiler needs flushing.
Don't look so guilty. The truth is, I don't know how to do this either. That's because where I'm from, most households use furnaces to heat their living space and water heaters to heat their water, as most US households do. In fact, only about 1/4 as many American households have boilers, which circulate superheated water via pipes to radiators to create steam heat, most of them concentrated in the Northeast.
That's why I traveled here to HomeServe's Brooklyn, Queens Training Center so I can get an expert assist from a pro who knows. This is my HomeServe homie, Danny. We call him Dan the Man.
Hey, thanks for coming. I really appreciate it.
He's here to show me the proper way to flush a boiler.
He's also going to help me determine whether I could or should be doing this for myself, in the event I pursue my lifelong dream of moving to the Big Apple and becoming a brassy New Yorker.
Meet me at Toity. Are you talking to me? I'm walking here!
With a boiler to maintain.
So here we have a steam boiler.
Danny, let me stop you right there. A what?
A boiler.
Did you say a boiler?
Yeah, boiler.
Oh, a boiler. I love the way they talk here. Please, continue.
As I was saying,
If you don't mind, Danny, I'll take the voiceover narration from here so I could practice my New York accent and watch the expert show me how it's done. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve on the tank. Place the other end in a bucket, keeping the boiler on. Open the drain valve for a few seconds and let the pressure push out sediment. Close the valve. Turn off power to the unit. Shut off the water to the boiler. Let the pipes cool for around 5 hours. Release the boiler tank's vacuum by allowing air into the tank to help push water out of the drain. Allow a small volume of water into the tank at a time. Let it drain out completely. Repeat until sediment is flushed out and the water runs clear. Turn the valve to the off position. Disconnect the drain hose. Turn the water back on. Turn on the hot water faucet and run it to purge air from the line.
Now, Danny, watching you do this, it didn't seem like it was that hard. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the hardest for the average homeowner, what would you rate boiler flushing?
I would rate this a 1.
A 1. See, I think I could be a New Yorker. So in addition to annual boiler flushing, what else can the average homeowner be doing to ensure that their boiler remains in top working order?
I would recommend they make an appointment with a professional certified service technician. They will look further inside, check the wiring, make sure nothing's broken, check the operating controls. They'll also check for any soot buildup, any carbonization of the unit. Another service provided would be a treatment for the unit. They'll put this in the unit, cycle it a little bit to get rid of any sediment buildup on the pipes or the unit.
So having seen this, homeowners, what do you think? DIY dilemma or problem for the pros? Let us know in the comments. In the meantime, there you have it.
Your boiler's flushed.
And your conscience is clear.